You need to identify Eclipse icon on the desktop, then double click on that. Automatically the workspace it will be displayed and you click on OK button. Then what happens? A window will be opened like this. You can observe here Java environment is taken and second is the project name and source is the project related source where we'll be saving the package like test that is being given here. That is the package name and trial is the class name that I have given in the program. The extension of the file is .java because we are using Java programs here, and this is the package explorer where we'll be having project name, source. If we click here, just observe what happens. Package will be displayed. If I click here again, the package which is being imported in the program, the source code extension name will be displayed like this, trial.java. This is all related to the editor window of the source code. Whatever we want to write in any programming language, all the instructions will be given numbered wise. The number of statements can be identified easily. This is the task list where we can identify the list of tasks, and here an outline of the package program as well as the main method will be identified here, and this is related to console environment, this part. So here if we have any problems in our program, the description will be displayed here and Java document will be displayed here. If at all we are want to document declaration of any variables if present, while execution it will be displayed, and console is related to the display of any type of information related to the status of the environment, and error log it may be list of errors that are being displayed. There may be warnings also. You can simply delete them if you at all it is related to previous programs. Then how to run the particular application? Just observe, click on run. What happens? Just observe. A Google page is displayed, window is maximized, and tutorialspoint.com. It is automatically opening particular website, and again it went back to Google search page, and again it displayed tutorialspoint.com. Then refresh. The process has been done. Why the web browser is doing all the task automatically is because we have written in our particular source code as what to do and what to perform. So if you observe, this is the automated generated method related to Chrome driver, because the output if you observe there was Google Chrome that was being opened because of this launching of the browser using the OBJ object. We are having package statements, import statements, multiple import statements, whatever we want. We can just take here Chrome driver and web driver. These both drivers are being implemented. That's the reason an object is being created. Using the object, we are calling several methods like get, manage, navigate. What happened in our output? Just observe whatever we have given here. Google.com site has been opened, then it is maximized, then tutorialspoint.com has been opened, then the web page went back to Google page, and again it forwarded to tutorialspoint.com. Then the page was being refreshed, and the string a title is being taken. Whenever we are getting the title is tutorialspoint.com, that is being given to a title. Whenever we are considering a title, if it is equal to Google page, then only we get the output TP. Otherwise what happens? TF will be printed. Our output page is related to tutorials point. That's the reason we got TF as output here. Thank you, one and all.